Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to link Deriv account to MetaTrader 5. And in today's video we're gonna look on how to link your Deriv account to your MetaTrader 5 account. First you need to do is sign up for your Deriv account. Once you create your Deriv account, you need to download MetaTrader 5 in your computer. Once you download MetaTrader 5, you need to open it. Once you open it, click on File and then click on Open an Account. Once you click on it, you'll get this tab. On the search box here, search for Deriv Limited. Click on it and then click on Next. You can either open a demo account or a real account or connect with the existing trade account. Now, as we have already made an account with Deriv, we'll choose the third option. Select the account type from this drop list. I currently have a demo account, so I'll choose Deriv Demo. Then give your login ID and password and then click on Finish. Once you click on Finish, you will have successfully linked your Deriv account to your MetaTrader 5 account. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.